Welcome to this beautiful home located in the award-winning master planned community of Castle Hills. Castle Hills has so much to offer, including the resort-style amenities. Welcome to 2532 Saffire Way. I can't wait to show you this listing. Come on, let's go take a look. This community and this beautiful house are the perfect combination. For more information, give me a call or log on to janritchie.com. I'm Christine Goodwin, and I'll see you on our next home tour.